Hi everyone, Sri Vingesh here. So this is day 29 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So as I'm preparing for PL3 net exam, the topic for today is create a calculator columns. By the way, we are currently in the data modeling part, and let's move ahead to the Notion. So create a calculator columns. So this is going to be an practical explanation, and we are going to create some of calculator columns related to date function. So without wasting time, let's go to Power BI. And here I have a due date a table where I have a due date column. In this column we have a set of dates, so only we have dates. For this we are going to create a fiscal year and fiscal quarters, dates, months and all. So first we are going to create a fiscal year, and this is the formula for that. And let me create a new column here. So in table tools you can click the new column. It will show the formula bar. And after getting the formula bar, you can enter the formula. So here the formula is, so I'm going to rename the column. So the column name is, I'll copy paste this formula and explain to you. So here we have due date fiscal year. So this is the table called due date, and we are going to find the due date fiscal year. So for that we are going to say fiscal year, and so this will be in our output, and after that and symbol, so it will include the other formula. So if the year of due date plus if the month is greater than 6, it will add 1, else it will not add anything. So this means for a company there will be a financial year. So most commonly for any government organization, or most commonly any company, it will be from April 1 to March 31st. For this company, the financial year is starts from 1st of July and ends in 31st of June. So if the month is above 6, that is after 7, and after that it will be adding 1, and it will reflect in the fiscal year. And if you are not clear about fiscal year, you can go to YouTube and read about the fiscal year. And if you click enter, so it is taking some time. My laptop is a little slow. Yeah, we have found the due date fiscal year. So now for 1st July, it is 2018, it is a fiscal year. And if we go to 1st July of 2019, it will show it is 1st July of 2019, it is showing 2020. So this is how we calculate the fiscal year. So another way of doing this is cancel the 0. So if you are doing like this also, it will work. So the comma is here, so we have to remove the comma. Now it will be completely all right. So now the 1st July is 2017 is to 2018 fiscal year, and if you go to 2018 July, sorry, so here is the 2018 July, and this is the 2019 fiscal year starting. So this is how we describe the fiscal year. And after that we are going to find the fiscal year quarter. For that we are going to copy another formula. So this is the formula. And we are going to create another column. And here we have due date, fiscal year. So it will return the fiscal year of the date, and it will include the Q symbol. And this switch function is like if function, and if we don't need to use the if function in all the lines, instead we can use switch true. It is similar to if function. And if the month of due date is greater than 7, and then this double and is strictly and. So this and if the month is less than 9, it will say it is 1, this first quarter. And likewise the other condition is also determined. So if I click OK, so likewise as the same, you will get the fiscal year and the quarter. So for this company, from June to September is quarter 1, and October to December is quarter 2. So let us check the quarters. So it is starting in July, right? So the July from September is quarter 1, and July from September is equal to quarter 1, and from October, so it is starting quarter 2. From October to December it is quarter 2, and after that it is continuing to quarter 3. So this is how you will define the fiscal year quarters. And if you want to add a gap between the year and quarter, you can say, and you can enter a space within the colon, and you can say and. So if you do like this, it will create a gap between these. So yeah, it is added a gap. And remaining we have three formulas, that is 3 DAX functions, where you will create a month using the format condition and format function, and a full date using the format function. And also you will create a month key, that is multiplying the year into 100 and adding the month number, it will give the month key. So like how we will do. So now I'm going to add the link of the Notion page to the description. You can check these formulas and you can implement it in your Power BI report. And I will also add the link of the dataset too. You can feel free to explore this. Yeah, and that's it I had for this video. And if you're an expert watching my video and find any mistakes or miscommunication, please let me know in the comment section.